I used to ask them specifically that how far do you think you can go? And each time, in that 100% of the time I've asked that question, none of them have said that they would go beyond 2 feet or 3 feet. And in the end, which was like the last round, people used to reach from 2 feet, which they thought that they could achieve, they reached to a level of 8 feet.
Tell you what, better if you leave. We got llamas, shooters on the streets.
So a lot of you don't know that apart from being a motivation speaker, I have been a corporate trainer for the last 7 years. I started my corporate training career right after my debating stint in college in 2013, and I launched my company by the name of Team Builders India in 2016, which was into training and employee engagement. So in the last 7 years, I've covered more than 1 lakh people, and I have done works with some of the biggest corporates in the country, taking very big stages and pursuing my passion, which is to bring a difference in people's lives. Now, the kind of sessions I used to do, there are different kinds of corporate trainings that a lot of trainers do. So my sessions involve doing experiential learning activities, where I used to make people go through activities and derive certain learnings from them, which can be imbibed in themselves, and how can they be effective personally and how can they be more effective when they work in a team. So in all that 7 years, there is one activity that has always stood out for me, which I'm going to talk about in this video, and that activity is called maximum stretch. So I'll quickly give you a briefing on the activity, and I'll share you some mind-boggling insights which I have discovered in the last 7 years while doing this activity for various corporates. So in that activity, what used to happen, that I used to give a briefing that imagine 100 people standing in front of me and everybody standing behind the line. So I used to brief that wherever you are there currently standing, and whosoever is listening to this video, wherever you are standing or sitting, that is your current situation in life. And the area beyond that line is an area that these people need to conquer. How far they will go will be dependent on 2 things. Number 1, how much each person individually believes that they can go forward. And number 2, how much support that they are ready to seek from the people that are around them. Now, what they needed to do in that activity is that they needed to place a coin at the farthest distance possible from the line that they were standing behind by. And they cannot throw the coin, they can't drop the coin, they can't drag the coin. Whatever they could do is that they needed to place the coin. And they had about 8 to 10 people in their team which they could take the help from. Now, the moment I used to finish for the briefing for the activity, and I've done this with some of the brightest minds in the country, name British High Commission's ambassador, to the investment bankers of a top MNC corporate, to the IRS income tax commissioners who serve our country, to BSF officers. So I've done it to almost all biggest people. So each time I used to finish the briefing, I used to see people started to figure out in terms of how would they do the activity, what are the things that they could do, would they seek help from the team members. And before they started practicing for it, I used to ask them specifically that how far do you think you can go? And each time, in that 100% of the time I've asked that question, none of them have said that they would go beyond 2 feet or 3 feet. That's what they estimated their own potential. And then I used to give them time about 10 to 15 minutes to practice. But what was startling for me is that when they started practicing and when the actual time for the performance per se happened, each time they tried to place the coin, they used to go slightly forward. And in the end, which was like the last round, people used to reach from 2 feet, which they thought that they could achieve, they reached to a level of 8 feet.
The new record that was created by
and it used to literally surprise each and every person who used to do that activity, that they never thought that that was their potential. And it gave me very interesting insight about the psychology of people, not only in that program but in life in general, that how we always tend to underestimate whatever we are capable of. हम जो भी कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं, जो भी कुछ पा सकते हैं, हम उससे बहुत छोटा सोचते हैं, बिकॉज हमारी एनवायरनमेंट, हमारे आसपास के लोग हमारे को बहुत बार इधर रोक के रखते हैं, या फिर हमारा खुद का दिमाग ऑलवेज सेंड सिग्नल्स दैट मे बी आई कांट डू दैट मच, मे बी आई कांट अचीव दैट मच, टिल द टाइम यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. What is the second thing I learned from that activity whenever I did it with different sets of people is that we are always scared in terms of taking help when it is required. That our ego tends to dictate us so much that we always think that I am myself and I can do everything on my own. And I discovered that if you start taking the right help from the right set of people, things start to become easy for you. But we are always scared to ask. So number one, try and actualize your potential. Try and think as to what is it that you're capable of. I always tell in all my videos that do a process of self-introspection. Think what you are capable of. Try to write those things down. And don't underestimate yourself. Because till the time you don't think big, you won't start working for it, right? Because if आपके सपने ही छोटे हैं, तो आप उतने छोटे में से और थोड़ा छोटा अचीव करेंगे. आपको टैक्स नहीं लग रहा ना आपको बड़ा सोचने का. So you got to think really big. Because if you think big, you start working in that direction. So don't underestimate your potential. That is number one. And number two, don't forget to seek and ask for help. And try to create an ecosystem around you where you have positive people who are ready to help you if you ever seek their help. So think about this, guys, and remember that it is imperative to think big and never underestimate what is it that you're capable of. Thank you so much, guys. Kindly like this video, kindly share, subscribe, and remember that you are more capable than you think that you are. Thank you so much. Cheers. Peace out.
Floss and diamonds in my teeth. Problems you don't want with me. I'll tell you what, better if you